everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 680 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out an LA Colors Dollar Tree makeup product, which you know are my favorites, but I've never tried out this type of makeup product from LA Colors before. This is the Dramatilast Lash Adhesive. And this is a new product at my Dollar Tree. I have it in the shade Clear. It's latex free, long wearing, and since I got this from the Dollar Tree, it's only $1, but you get 2 little lash glues, which I was kind of thinking, like, why wouldn't they just do one larger lash glue? But it's actually great to have 2 smaller tubes because then you don't have to worry about it like drying out too quickly. You can save the second one until you actually run out of the first one, and that's actually very smart. And so I'm gonna try these out with the lashes that I tried out yesterday. These are the Ardell Fashion Lashes number 62, and they're like my new obsession. So I will link my review of these, the video that I made yesterday, in the description down below. And I did already go ahead and I lined my upper lash line because yesterday when I tried these out, I found out that I prefer these lashes with eyeliner, even though they do have a pretty invisible band. Oh, okay, the applicator on this is more of just like a hard spatula. I'm used to the brush applicators, but really it does not make much of a difference because you're just using it to get glue onto the base of the lashes, and it doesn't really matter how perfectly straight or precise your line is. So this is working totally well to get the glue onto the base of the lashes. And this comes with pretty good instructions. It says check the fit of the lashes along the natural lash line, trim excess if needed, apply a thin line of adhesive along the false eyelash band, and do not apply directly on eyelids. Position lash to the base of your natural lashes. Gently press from the middle of the eye to the corners and along the band to secure until dry. Allow 30 to 60 seconds to set. Okay. This didn't say anything about waiting until it gets tacky, but I did just kind of wait a little bit as I was reading that, and it's like the perfect amount of tacky, so you don't have to rush to put it on your eye immediately because I'm still able to kind of move and adjust it. It's not completely stuck on yet, which I need. Like, I need a little bit of time to maneuver the glue before it fully sticks on. But there we go. It's holding the lashes down perfectly. It's already looking clear. So far, working perfectly. I'll go ahead and apply the other lashes. I feel like this is such an amazing deal that it's only $1 for 2 of these. Because seriously, like, you only need the tiniest little bit of lash glue for your lashes. But I know that this tiny little amount of lash glue will actually be able to last a long time because you barely use any for a pair of lashes. I still find it so funny when I see myself applying lashes because I just don't do them in a very professional way. I just applied this right away, and I really do think, even though it doesn't say it on the instructions, I think you should still wait the 30 seconds for it to get tacky because it's not sticking down at all at first. So it's kind of like a waste of time to be pressing the lashes down when they're just going to come up. That's why you wait a little bit for it to get tacky so that it will actually stick down, or else you're just sticking down the outside while the other side pops up. Then you pop the other side down while the other side pops up. So after the 30 seconds, it works great and it stays down. Okay, so now that this one has had time to dry down, I'm going to look very closely and see if it's actually clear. And yeah, it's totally clear, very comfortable. I don't want to like pull the lashes off, but I'm just going to give a gentle tug to see if they're securely on. And yeah, the lashes are very nicely stuck on. So I am very happy with this glue so far. And this is the perfect tiny little bottle of lash glue to throw into my pocket or my purse if I do need to stick my lashes back down at all. But so now I'm gonna do a wear test. I'm planning to go out and do some Christmas shopping, make some Christmas cookies, and just like hang out, but I'll be outside. It's probably windy, rainy today. So we'll get a full review on how well these lashes last, and I will put that wear test in the description down below. But very happy with this so far. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.